Hey everyone, my name is Tobias Siegel with Promolife, and today we're going to talk about the Ozone Dental Handpiece. In this video, we're going to go over the two main methods on how to properly use this device. But before we get started, let's talk about the benefits of adding ozone to the mouth. Ozone can help reduce infection, it can help with inflammation, it can help with recalcifying or redoing the enamel on your teeth, and it can also help with desensitizing. So there's a lot of amazing benefits with adding ozone to the mouth. Before we get started though, we have to decide what do we want to use and how do we want to use this device. We offer two different applicators. We offer a tooth cup, which can be used directly on like the back molar, or we use a blunt tip needle, which can go between the teeth or up into the gums. So those are the two main applicator devices that we offer. So you just have to decide which one's going to be best for you. I get a lot of questions on what's the correct flow rate and setting that you want to use. I personally recommend 1/16 to 1/8 liters a minute and a concentration range between 30 and 70. I do recommend going on the higher side is a little bit better because remember, this ozone's only going to be staying in our mouth for a short period of time. So in this next video section, we're going to go over the first method on how to properly use this device. So we're going to go over the first method on how to properly use the Ozone Dental Handpiece. This is the easiest method by far, so just for anybody who's a beginner, I'd recommend starting with this method. So we're first going to turn on our oxygen, and then we're going to turn on our ozone. The important thing is to not breathe from your mouth. That is a big no-no. So before we start, I'm going to take a deep breath and I'm going to hold my breath. So try to do this for like 10 to 15 seconds. So you see I just exhaled and pushed all that excess ozone gas out of my mouth, and now I don't have to cough. There's no issues whatsoever. It's completely safe as long as you exhale that gas out of your mouth. That's going to be the easiest way to do this. You can repeat this 3, 4, 5 times during that same session to help get maximum ozone exposure to the affected area. But overall, for beginners, this is the best way to start. Now I'm going to move on to the second method and show you how to do it. So we're going to go over the second method on how to properly use the Ozone Dental Handpiece. This is a little bit more advanced, and so I want to go over a few different things on how to do this properly. The first thing that we're going to need in addition to the dental handpiece is a fan. Now this fan is going to blow across our face, so if there is any ozone that leaks out of our mouth, it's going to push it away from our nose. So this is a very important piece, and I highly recommend using it. So the main difference with this method is we're going to be actively breathing from our nose. So while that handpiece is in our mouth, we're going to be breathing from our nose, and that allows us to leave the dental handpiece in our mouth for a longer period of time. So we're going to do an active run to show you that this does work really effectively. So we're first going to turn on our oxygen. We're going to turn on our ozone. I'm going to turn on this fan. So I got the air going. Got the ozone coming out of the handpiece, and I'm going to stick it in my mouth. Now, do not breathe from your mouth. You have to breathe from your nose. There you have it. I was breathing while using the dental handpiece in my mouth. It's a really simple way to use it. Honestly, you can leave it in there for 30 seconds, 45 seconds, whatever you prefer. As long as you have a fan and you're breathing from your nose, it's 100% safe. So that's a very easy way to use the dental handpiece. Yes, it's a little bit more advanced, but I recommend it for if you really are looking to help with your mouth health. It's a great option to use. If you have any questions about this product or need any additional assistance, please give us a call at 888-742-3404 or visit our website at www.promolife.com. And don't forget to check us out on Instagram and Facebook.